Dun, 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 tu, 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 dun, dun, tu, 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 tu. Hello and welcome to another episode of Talking to the Machine. It's actually the second episode. I did the first episode 6 months ago, and then I realized there's some things that I didn't like, and I've come back with a bang, and I've come to correct that. So if you have not yet done that, as you can see, I'm doing poorly on subscribers. I only have 3. Please subscribe. Press the subscribe button, and get me more following to this channel. And also you can press the bell icon so that you can be reminded whenever I put out content. So yeah, you don't have to search for me, just subscribe, put that bell icon, and for sure once I put out content, you'll be the first one to know. Yeah, so do the right thing, be the 21st century person and do the right thing. Okay, away with that. So how have you been doing? Yeah, personally, I've been doing well. If you follow me, you will know that I recently turned 35, 35, 35, 35. And interestingly enough, it doesn't even show. Do I look 35 really? No, I hardly doubt. So yeah, I like that. So and for my 35th birthday, not 35, my 35th birthday, I gave myself a present, which I would not have been able to do that a year ago. And what is this? A brand new portfolio website. A brand new portfolio website hosted on Hostinger, and let's have a look at it. It's actually called georgegiduma.com, as you can see, and this is the brand new flashy clean website of mine. By the way, today I'll just be taking you through this website and showing you how amazing it is, and in turn how amazing I am. So yeah, you can see there's some amazing things. You can see it has different sections. You can see this is the heading. I have about section, and that one you can also use that. I talk about my experiences and services, and also I give you a bit of my portfolio, my work, and then I give you a bit of a testimonial, and lastly I give you a way to reach to me, and this is the through contacts. So yeah, let me just scroll back up and take you step by step on what are the features of this website and why I'm so proud and why I'm telling you about this website. So as you can see, I start by salutations. I'm very polite, guys, so I say salam. I am George Kiduma, a software developer. Okay, and I give you an opportunity straight away to do 2 things: either download my resume or visit my LinkedIn. So if you choose to download my resume, you can see it automatically downloads itself. Like it brings you a file. It brings you an actual file of my CV, and you don't really need to ask me to send you a CV. You can just go to my website and download it, and you can see if I say save. There you go. It's down there. Open it, and voila, you will have my website in your computer. You'll have my CV in your computer. Okay, it's not very long, so yeah, there you go. Enough of that. So let's go back to my website. So also it allows you to go to my LinkedIn profile. So if you can see, it takes you to my LinkedIn profile, and that's my LinkedIn profile, and as you can see, I'm kind of a big deal. 2,704 followers. We can do better with you guys, so please also go to my LinkedIn and follow me. I'll highly appreciate. Yeah, and then it gives you an option to scroll down, which I don't want to do immediately, but also on the side it also gives you an icon, which if you press this icon, it takes you to my LinkedIn, which we have already seen, and also this one takes you to my GitHub. I have a GitHub, and as you can see, I've been a naughty boy. I've not been coding here. But since April, I've kind of improved, and yeah, I've done some things. So yeah, you can also check out my LinkedIn profile, and yeah, you'll find this the repository to this website also there. So as one of the repositories, you can see this is my website, and there's a couple of more projects I'm doing for people. So yeah, yeah, yeah. You'll find those. Most of my projects at the moment are private because I kind of think like I like my privacy for now. I'll make them public at a later stage, but for now, let's put it private. If you want an access to it, you can always shoot me a message, and I'll consider it if it's for good. And yeah, so that is my header. And we now go down to the about, and you can see I have 3 years experience in tech. I actually have more than 3 years, but like actively I can say I've been in tech for 3 plus years. I have worked with about 10 plus clients, and I've completed around 4 projects to my name, including this one. So I am a self-taught software developer with the proficiency in web technology, including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Node, JS, Python, and React. So React is the language that I use to create this, and I'll be talking about it more about it in a later video. So keep following for this content. I enjoy designing and building products and systems that help businesses and organizations easily interact with their customers, collect data efficiently, and for e-commerce platform make seamless payments. So that's kind of where I am. So that's the kind of work I really enjoy doing. More than a web technologist, I am also an AWS certified cloud practitioner, and yeah, you can see my certificate here. Let's go down to, yeah, if you come here to my certificate, you can see I'm actually a certified guy. One of my proudest moments in life. So, George Zumanjogu has successfully completed the AWS. Yeah, I need to do more certifications on AWS, but for now, that's what I have. Yeah. And I also recently developed an interest in native applications. I'm currently working with Kotlin and Androids. I'm working on my Kotlin and Android skills. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. My Kotlin Android skills, I'm working on that, but I'm also doing some native React work. So maybe the native React work will take precedence over the Android and Kotlin. So my experience, I have experience in front-end development, a bit in back-end development, and also in cloud. So you can see I know how to do. I'm experienced in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React, and I have some intermediate experience with Node.js, some intermediate experience with Python, Firebase, and MySQL. That's for the backend, and MySQL and Firebase are basically for database, and these ones are backend languages. So yeah, I'm getting there. And for cloud, as I've told you, I have a CCP, and I also went through. I was a mentor at the Google Africa Developer Scholarship with Andela, and I have some experience with GCP. When it comes to phones, Android and iOS, I'm still working on that. So still intermediate, but basically if you've been coding before, you know, like once you learn one language, it's very easy to transition to another language. And yeah, so I know the basics of the language, only that I've not done as many projects on those languages. So what services do I offer? So we can start with software development. I do software development, I do mentorship and training, and I also do speaking engagements. So for software development, currently I do personal portfolio sites like this one, and for a mega fee of $99 a year. So what does this entail? This entails building of the website, which will take you a bit of 2 weeks to a month, and yeah, hosting it for a whole year for you, and making sure that you can always call me whenever your site is down, and I'll make sure that it's up. Yeah, but please be advised, in this fee, your website costs are not factored. So like your hosting cost, and yeah, if you need email, you will pay more. This is just consultancy on my end. For organizations, I do it for 499. That's around $500 a year. So if you're an organization of a small business, you can also give me a call. I also build e-commerce websites, which now those ones depend on depend on the features that you want, and that will determine the budget. I also do corporate websites. I also do learning management systems. So phone applications, I build Android, iOS, and React Native applications, and APIs and data, API development, cloud migration, database management, and for these prices you can shoot me a message and I will tell you. Mentorship and training, I do for 1 hour virtual training, I do $35. For 2 hours, that is $50. For full day, I'll do you $100. If this is on location, I'll do an hour for 50, and 2 hours on location training at 75, and a full day on location is 150. Please note that the prices are inclusive of transport and accommodation. So if I have to travel to where you are, you pay for the transport and accommodation if I have to sleep. For speaking engagements, I do 1 hour virtual engagements at $25, 2 hours virtual engagement at 35, and a full day engagement at $70. On location, I do 1 hour at 35, 2 hours at $50, and full day at $100. So also prices exclusive of transport and accommodation. So if yeah, if I have to come there, you have to carry me there and get me back home and get up for my sleep. So that is the services I offer. So as per portfolio, the first one is mine. So this is what I'm doing currently, and as you can see, I've also told you that I do e-commerce websites. There's one that is currently in the works, and it's coming out soon, and once it comes out soon, you shall be seeing it under my portfolio. So this is the one that we're working on. Yeah, we have a problem there. We're gonna fix it, and let's see this one. So yeah, for organizations, that is a cup of uji. So basically, sorry that that one didn't work. Mistakes happens, but basically this is the website that we are currently on. So yeah, it will not be anything different. But this one is for the organizations. I'm currently working on something for cup of uji. Unfortunately, it's also not yet finished, so I'll not want to really go much into it, but like soon it will be finished, and once it's finished, yeah, we shall be able to launch it. So I do personal portfolio websites and organization websites, and I have some testimonials. I have a friend called Randy Devo who talks a bit about me. We have Chennai from Mozilla, who says some good words about me. We have Tahir also, who says the founder of Lamuka, who says some good words about me. And we also have Namina Jevakovic. Yeah. Chief Investment Officer at TechBridge, who says some good words about me. Then lastly, you have the contact area whereby you can send me an email. So like you can see, if I click on send an email, it will take you to your email, and you can be able to send me an email directly. Also, if you're on WhatsApp and you want to send me a WhatsApp message, you can just go directly there, click there, open WhatsApp, and yeah, boom, you can talk to me. And also, if you don't like any of those, you can just put in your name, put in your email, and send me a message and say, hi, can we chat? Hi, can we chat? And you send me a message, and that's good. Okay, cool. Yeah, you have my footer there, and with my footnotes, you can take you back home about experience, services, portfolio, testimonial, contacts. Yeah, this one takes you to my LinkedIn, this one takes you to my GitHub, and as the copyright rights reserved to me. And yeah, so that is my new website. I hope you like it. Please, I would like you to go over the services. Yeah, let's go through the services. Look at what I can do for you, and please let me know if I can do that for you. That's all for today. Let's meet next week, whereby I'll be able to talk to you about React and how I was able to create this website and why I chose React for creation of this website. All that I'll be able to tell you next week. So yeah, thank you for your time, and looking forward to having another chat next week. Ciao, kwaheri, bye bye, tokonana.